Words cannot describe how amazing this roller coaster is, and it's so unique, one of its kind.
That was so much more intense than it was.
Today we are at Tusenfryd and this is the original
Norwegian loop!
and that means we're in Norway and it's kind of close to the capital city Oslo, about a 30-minute drive, so let's go.
However, earlier today I had a surprise for my fiance.
So we're going to go to Tusenfryd Airport. So Kiara knows we're going on holiday, but she doesn't know where. She's going to find out right now. So drum roll, please. Norway!
No way!
Yeah, way!
The first coaster of today is the newest attraction from last year, Storm, the Dragon Legend.
Yeah, of course, yeah, all ready, yeah. It is, isn't it? Yeah. You haven't been on front row yet, have you? Here we go. Roll back. It's this launch. Kicked in. Oh my god! They sped it up for us or something. Oh my god! See what I mean? It's insane.
That's so much more intense than what was when we went on it earlier.
I guess it's formed up as well.
Yeah. Oh my god.
So we just went on Storm, and what do you think of that?
I really enjoyed it. It had very good hang time and air time.
Wow, yeah. Did you like it though?
Yeah.
Because I got a surprise for you. Oh, fun. That was your 100th ever coaster. Yeah. You've been on the 100 coasters since our roller coaster journey, and that was your 100th.
Wow.
Look, pass it here. I'm going to do a transition of back home. We're going to do a party popper.
Woo!
So we can't take party poppers away abroad, it's illegal.
Illegal.
So we've got another surprise for you.
What's that?
As it's your 100th coaster, we're going to go behind the scenes, have a little behind the scenes VIP experience.
Exciting.
Whoa!
This roller coaster is amazing. I gotta say, it is in my top 3 favourite coasters. Just everything about it, the elements, the launch, the hang time, the air time, it's insane. So the company who manufactured this is Gerslau. You might know him from Smiler and Hang Time.
Oh my god, I don't like this.
Oblivion.
And a few others. But this is their first ever inverted coaster. This roller coaster is a prototype, but I've got to say they've succeeded and it is amazing.
Wait for this hang time.
Next coaster is Thunder Coaster.
Thunder Coaster is Norway's tallest wooden coaster. Well, also the only wooden coaster in Norway. This was our first ever track walk on the roller coaster, and I gotta say, it was pretty cool.
Oh my god. This roller coaster was very enjoyable. There's lots of airtime.
So we did go on Speed Monster earlier on in the day, as you saw in the video of the intro. So it is a hydraulic launch coaster, but here is a little behind the scenes of the roller coaster. And here is the cable winch. But the question is, what is your favourite type of launch coaster? Is it hydraulic or LSM? Cable, magnet, cable, magnet, cable, magnet, cable, magnet. So for dinner, I did order a pizza for us, but I did order the wrong pizza. I brought the pizza what is meant to share for 4 people, but obviously there's 2 of us, so we got quite full from eating that pizza. But anyways, more coasters to ride.
What? Here's Norway's first ever roller coaster, Looping. Now to explore more of the park.
Is this your new boyfriend?
Yeah, looks like you.
Uh-oh, how slippery is it? Ah, it's not too bad.
Well, it's not.
Yeah, well, oh no, my foot's stuck.
Help! Mum, help! Oh fuck, I almost fell.
Climb the wall, go on, can do it. Army boot camp. Whoa! I would try this one, but I got split trouser, and it'll make it even worse. Oh no! Don't get wet. Oh, it's actually moved. Oh, oh. Whoa. Oh look, it's a troll under the bridge. Uh-oh. Run. Oh. And look, it's a goat. Ribbit, ribbit.
Billy Goat Gruff, is that what it's called?
Oh, it could be Billy Goat Gruff, yeah. Ask him.
Is your name Billy Goat Gruff? He looks well creepy. Oh, you gonna ask him tell him what you want for Christmas?
Willy, 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 willy.
It's Force Hammer. Whoa, whoa, we nearly fell over. I'm just going to go adult way. Pretty much like going inside his body. Yeah, I wouldn't do that, so like I say, I'll probably rip my jeans even more. And really wet, yeah, boot camp. Big belly, that's us after eating the pizza. Boing, 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 boing. I think he's skiing, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh no, look how we have to get out.
You don't have to crawl.
Oh, we just have to duck.
Quite low.
Okay.
Oh,
Here we go.
I
Whoa!
can't see because of my hood.
Whoa!
We want to say a massive thank you to the staff at Tusenfryd for letting us experience the park after opening hours. It was honestly an amazing experience. It was very strange walking around the park when there's no customers.
It's a ghost town. It actually is. Scary. Oh, Candy Valley, your favourite. It's just a cow. Moo 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 moo.
I do definitely recommend coming down to Tusenfryd. They have some amazing roller coasters and it's just a friendly environment. We are definitely going to be coming back to Tusenfryd in the future. It's such a great theme park, and I've got to say, Storm, the Dragon Legend, is in my top 3 coasters. So let's go.